Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer of King's Designs MD. Today, I just want to show you some really cute fonts. The holidays are approaching, and people want to do different events. And so, here's some really cute free fonts in Cricut. So, I'm just going to take you through what some of these fonts look like. So, this is Vilna MF, and all of these are free. So I'm just going to click through and let you guys see what they're called. High Tide, Carly, Ginger Snap. Ginger Snap is really cute, but I'm going to zoom in on this one because it's a lot of details in Ginger Snap that you don't get to see from far away. So if you look, Ginger Snap has all these red and green, has all these red details in it. So that one's really cute. Then we have this one, Tie the Knot. Now, when I looked at this, before I even paid attention, I was like, this is cute. I wouldn't do a whole name with this, but this would be great for a monogram, and that's exactly what it's meant for because it says Tie the Knot dash monogram. So that's what that one is for. Let's see what else we got. May have to, okay, favorite fonts collection. Now this one is really cute. This almost looks like the traditional Christmas font to me. So I like that one. Marker, M Marker HK. This one kind of reminds me of Ray Dunn type font. And so this one's called Nanum Pen. And then the last one is Poker Night. And I'll see if I can shrink back down so you can see these full again. So Poker Night and then Nanum Pen. So these are some really cute fonts that you can use for Christmas time. If you don't know how to find free font, just click up here on font. You can go to Cricut and it'll show you the different fonts in Cricut, but then you click right here and this will tell you the filters. And so if I take this off, this is going to show me all the different fonts in Cricut, free and paid. You start to see free showing up, excuse me, paid showing up, and then the free is nestled in there. But if you want to get to free, click here, go down to free, and it will filter it out so you can see which ones are free to use. So, hope this helps somebody. Happy crafting.